Hey everyone, it's Rochelle here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a glueless wig application. Yeah, completely glueless. No melting spray, no holding spray. This is a glueless install and this is beginner friendly. Now this is the wig that I'm going to be rocking in today's video. This wig is from ISEE Hair and I have rocked quite a few of their wigs in my video. What I do love about their wigs is that they are glueless wigs, pre-plucked, and also pre-bleached knots, so I don't have to do anything for it to look good. It looks good straight out of the box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this, and this is what the packaging looks like. So let's open this up. Now we have the two wig caps, and you also get some extra accessories as well. So you have a elastic band for your wig, which I think is a must. It also comes with extra combs as well, so if you need to use the combs. Now I'm not really big on using combs at all, maybe just the one in the back, that's about it. But I never use the ones on the sides. If you use the side ones, comment down below and let me know. And then you pretty much have this pamphlet right here. It basically shows you everything about the wig that you need to know. Ooh, she is nicely curled. So this hair is about 24 inches and the curls are really nice and tight, but I'm obviously going to brush those out a bit. And this is just what the hairline is looking like. As you can see, it is nicely tweezed hairline. Like, it is tweezed to perfection. That's one thing I love about ISEE Hair. They do a good job of tweezing out the hairline, and they bleach the knots really well as well. And this one is a 9x6 closure wig, and basically what that means, if you're not familiar with what that means, so 9x6, so you have 6 inches of parting room and then the width is 9, so you're going to get a good amount of lace on this. So this is how it's looking on the inside as well. And then you also have this elastic band, which I'm going to remove and add the other one. The combs on the wig is actually removable as well, so you can go ahead and remove it. So instead of cutting, if you guys see my videos, you know I tend to cut them a lot, and with this one I don't need to cut it. I could just remove the comb, so it's super easy to remove. So just like so. But I'm gonna add this back because I usually use the one in the back. Okay, so as for the side ones, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these because I don't need it. And I just want you guys to see what that looks like up against my skin. So as you can see, there is a C shape here. And basically when you apply the wig on your head, this part goes over your ear. So it's not sitting on top of your ear, because the problem with a lot of lace closure wigs, it tends to just sit like on top of your ear and it can be painful. So I like the fact that they cut this part out, so where it goes over the ear. By the way, this is their new Mcap design, so it's supposed to fit the head perfectly as well. All right, so as you can see, I already have my wig cap on. I don't need to do the ball cap method because I will not be gluing down this wig at all. We're gonna be going completely glueless. So we're gonna see how well this wig looks glueless without absolutely no product on it. So I'm just gonna adjust this so it fits my little head. Okay, I know it looks a little crazy, but trust the process. I'm going to fix this. It does fit really snug, which is what I was worried about, because a lot of times these wigs like claim to be glueless, and you know they are, but the fit sometimes is not as snug. But this one is actually pretty snug. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. Next, I'm gonna go in with my wax stick, and this one is called SNT. I think that's what it's called. I just got this off Amazon and it works just as good as the other wax sticks I've been using. So not too much. I don't like using too much wax sticks. Like, it really does help to flatten down the wigs, but when you use like too much, it ends up making the wig look a little greasy on the top, and that is what we are trying to avoid. But I do add a little to the side. I go in with my hot comb. Ooh, that is hot. And we are just gonna flatten down that wig. Okay, so I flatten it down pretty good. What I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna go in with my curling wand just to fix these curls a bit, especially the ones in the front, because it's just sitting a little weird on my face. I just wet my hair, and to curl with the Dyson, I find that it's best. With my wigs, I find it's best to just wet them a little and then curl with the Dyson. Now, I usually like to use the bigger barrel, but I have no idea where it is. See, and the curl is already looking a lot better. Okay, and this is pretty much the end of the video. This is probably the easiest application I've ever done because I didn't have to do anything to this wig. Pop it on, I add some curls to it. The curls, they kind of fell a bit, the ones in the back, but this is how I love it. I don't like it to be too tight, and it does have layers in it that I did not have to cut, so everything's already done for you. So yeah, this wig is perfect for somebody who is a beginner and have absolutely no idea what they're doing with wigs, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys as well. I'll see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Bye.